Good day, folks. Here's the electrolytic question. This is the Gauteng province, September 2024. Right, let's cut the chase. Electrolysis is generally used in industry to produce chemicals through the decomposition of compound. The simplified diagram below represents an electrolytic cell used in the electrolysis of a concentrated sodium chloride. So guys, this type of question is no longer asked in the exam. I don't know why the Gauteng province they still have it, but we have a similar question or concept that we ask in this way, but it's not asked in this way. It's asked in form of one beaker where you have the carbon rods and the power there, and then not in this format, but it's the same concept. If you understand that one, it will be easy to understand this, right? Now, guys, if you see here, they say here the concentrated sodium chloride is inserted there. So if the inserted sodium chloride is inserted there, that means it's water that is inserted in this side, right? So this is gonna compound C is gonna be water, right? So in this, so there will be a sodium ion and chloride ion. So what's going to happen here? The chloride ion is going to oxidize here. Once it oxidizes in this way. It's chloride, it oxidizes into chlorine gas plus 2 electrons. So it's 2 chloride ions. So here, this gas A, it's a chlorine gas here. So there will be bubbles here. Which is the yellowish green bubbles, which is the chlorine gas that oxidizes there, right? Sorry, in this side it's water, and then some of the sodium will migrate through the permeable membrane. There will be a sodium there, sodium ions there, and then there's water. So between water and sodium, water will be reduced. So when water is reduced, there will be a hydrogen gas. There will be hydrogen gas there. There will be a hydrogen gas there. So gas B, there will be a hydrogen gas where water is reduced. It's getting electrons, and then it's 2 water molecules, and then we get the 2OH plus the hydrogen gas. So this is the hydrogen gas in gas B that you're going to get there. It's the hydrogen gas there, right? Okay guys, I've explained this in some of my video, but not in this type of concept, in this membrane setup. Now it says define the term anode in terms of oxidation or reduction. So you will say there, you will say anode is the electrode, anode is the electrode where oxidation takes place. I don't know how you're going to explain in terms of reduction, but it's anode is it's an electrode where the oxidation takes place. It says which electrode X or Y is connected to the positive terminal of the source. Which electrode is connected to the positive, which is the anode. So guys, at this side there's an anode, because oxidation takes place. Remember I said the chloride ion will oxidize, and then water will be reduced. So this is an anode, and this one is the cathode, right? So it's going to be electrode X. So what you can say there when they say give reason for your answer, you will say chloride ion is oxidized to chlorine gas, right? To chlorine gas. There are so many ways you can say that. You can say the concentrated sodium chloride. There's a concentrated sodium chloride where that contain chlorine ion which oxidizes. Okay, now it says write down the name or the chemical formula for gas A. As I've mentioned, guys, that gas A is going to be a chlorine. It's a chlorine gas, or you can say it's a chlorine like that. Then you can say it says in gas A, gas A, it's a chlorine only. Now compound C, what is compound C? Compound C, it's water. Remember I said it's water that is inserted there. It's water that is inserted there. Remember here they said what is inserted there? It's a sodium chloride, right? It says write down the equation for the half cell that takes place at the cathode. This is the reaction that takes place at the cathode, guys. This is the answer. This is the half reaction of water where it is reduced. Now 9.5, it says refer to the relative strength of oxidizing agent to explain your answer in 9.4. Right? Water, guys, when you compare water and the sodium, the reason between the two, which one is reduced, it's water, because water is a stronger oxidizing agent than, okay, let me write it. You can say water is a stronger oxidizing agent than what? Than sodium ion. And water is reduced to what? To hydrogen gas. All right, because if you look at the water, between these two, water is a stronger oxidizing agent, which is the one that is going to be reduced there. Water is reduced to what? To hydrogen gas. I hope that makes sense, guys. Cheers, bye.